Welcome to the land of fire and green valleys. It is Azerbaijan's enchanted land of nature. Azerbaijan is a country known for its rich landscapes, unique climate, and beautiful natural wonders. The nature of Azerbaijan is full of contrast, with green mountains, quiet forests, shining lakes, and wide open fields. Every region of the country offers something special, and together they create a beautiful harmony of colors and life. One of the most famous natural features of Azerbaijan is the Caucasus Mountains. These mountains stand tall and strong, covered with forests, rivers, and snow in the winter months. The mountain air is cool and fresh, and the scenery is peaceful and calming. Many people visit these areas to enjoy hiking, explore small mountain villages, and experience the beauty of untouched nature. The forests of Azerbaijan are full of life. Large trees create wide green spaces where many animals and birds live safely. The forests are home to deer, foxes, wolves, and many kinds of birds. Walking through the forest feels like entering a quiet, natural world where everything moves slowly and gracefully. The sounds of birds and the soft breeze make the environment relaxing and refreshing. Azerbaijan is also known for its beautiful lakes. Lake Goygol, one of the most popular, is surrounded by mountains and green trees. The water is clear and calm, reflecting the sky like a mirror. It is a peaceful place where visitors can sit quietly and enjoy the beauty of nature. Many other lakes across the country also offer scenic views and a quiet atmosphere. One of the most interesting features of Azerbaijan's nature is the mud volcanoes. The country has more mud volcanoes than any other place in the world. These volcanoes create bubbling mud pools and unusual shapes in the landscape. They are not scary like fire volcanoes. Instead, they are calm and fascinating to watch. The mud volcano regions look completely different from other parts of the country, showing how diverse Azerbaijan's nature really is. Azerbaijan also has beautiful sea coastlines along the Caspian Sea. The beaches are wide, quiet, and perfect for relaxing walks. The gentle waves and cool sea breeze help people feel refreshed after a long day. The Caspian Sea is an important part of Azerbaijani life, providing fish, fresh air, and peaceful views for everyone to enjoy. National parks in Azerbaijan protect many of the country's natural treasures. Herkin National Park is known for its ancient forests and rare plants. Shahdag National Park is famous for high mountains, glaciers, and scenic valleys. These parks help preserve the natural beauty of the country and provide safe homes for wildlife. Visitors can enjoy hiking, camping, and sightseeing in these protected areas. Rivers also play an important role in Azerbaijan's nature. The Kura and Aras rivers are two major rivers that flow across the country. They provide water for plants, animals, and people, and they create beautiful valleys and fertile lands. The sound of flowing river water is peaceful and adds to the natural beauty of the landscape. Azerbaijan's climate is also very diverse. Some areas are hot and dry, while others experience cool weather with snow in winter. This mix of climates creates a wide variety of plants and animals across the country. From dry deserts to green forests and snowy mountains, each part of Azerbaijan offers a different natural experience. In the end, the nature of Azerbaijan is a gift filled with beauty, diversity, and peaceful energy. Its mountains, forests, lakes, rivers, and unique landscapes make it a wonderful country for nature lovers. Exploring Azerbaijan feels like discovering many worlds in one place. The natural beauty of this land reminds us of the importance of protecting our environment and enjoying the simple joys that nature gives us.